Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Super Car Guy channel. In today's quick video, I will show you how to change your cabin air filter on your BMW 328 or 335. Specifically, the cars manufactured between 2006 and 7, depending on the country you're in, to about 2013. So this is the E90, E91, E92, and the E93 series cars. I'm sure you're very familiar with them. They're very popular, but basically they have the N52, N54 and the N55 engines. Luckily on these cars, the air filter is actually located here under the hood and not under the passenger footwell like in a lot of other BMWs, so it's a lot easier to change. I've picked this fill-top carbon activated filter. It should work really well and be at least as good as the original carbon activated filters that come with BMW, but this one's only 20 bucks on Amazon. So super inexpensive and should take us less than 5 minutes to actually change the filter. Let's do it. So the actual cabin air filter is located under this plastic cover, and to remove the cover in order to change the filter, you just have to remove 6 8mm screws. There's 1, 2 here, 2 right here, and 2 here at the top. One of mine is broken, so I only have 5, but basically there are 6 if your car doesn't have a broken bracket. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove them now. Now we can just lift it off, just like that. And here we see the actual filter. So there is the filter. Now before I change the filter, I'm gonna grab my leaf blower. You can use compressed air and things like that, and just blow off anything that's remaining in here. Now let's take our filter out and compare the old one to the new one. All right, so let's take a look at the old filter. You can see there's a lot of junk in there, so it's definitely a good idea to change these, I mean, at least once a year. Of course, depends on what your car is, how much you use it, where you live, but look, these are only 20 bucks, so definitely a good idea to replace them. To remove the actual filter, what we're gonna do is just push this clip in until it pops out, just like that. And then wiggle the filter out. All right, so it's the old filter. Grab the new one. Want to make sure it's in the same position as before. This will go into this groove right here. Okay. You can tell when it falls into place. So as you can see, this filter has extra plastic right here, so it creates a very good seal. That way it doesn't leak any air past the filter. Okay, perfect. So you just want to make sure the seal is good all throughout. All 3 clips are holding it in properly. All right, perfect. Now let's just put it back in the car. So we have the plastic cover with the filter. We're just gonna make sure it fits snugly over the air vents right here. Just like that. And put our screws back in. You wanna be careful not to over tighten these, of course, because you are screwing into plastic, so you know, you will strip it after a few times if you're not careful. And you will be doing this a few times because filter should be changed pretty often. Well guys, this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope I helped you change your cabin air filter on your own 3 Series BMW and save you at least 100 bucks from going to the dealer. These cabin air filters, like this fill top, is very easy to change in this car, and well, you can do it in under 5 minutes. So thank you so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.